What is the easiest way to perform lock maintenance? Sometimes lock maintenance is less about doing something extra and more about doing nothing at all. In this case, you should get into the habit of not removing the key when it is in the lock. Many people have the habit of forcibly pulling their keys out of the lock. Others lock doors by pulling the key while it is in the lock. When you pull a key out roughly, you put a lot of pressure on the lock. Therefore, practice pulling your key out of the lock with a slight wiggle, never with a jerk. Let's face it, a technician working at the entrance to your business is inconvenient. So how can you avoid weak locks? Call Benn Lock and Safe Limited. Call your local locksmith. 01733 552 728.